So today, welcome to the world of Wii U. This is the new controller for Wii U. It's different from anything you've played before. To begin explaining, let's take a little quick peek at Wii U in action.
Data is wirelessly transmitted without latency issues. You can play in a number of ways. Connect with an HD TV in the traditional way, and you can enjoy the most up-to-date, high-quality HD images, even without using the screen in your hands. Or you can place the new controller by itself on a table and play without the need for a TV at all. Or games can be structured to use two screens